What up guys, Danny from Life.ATV here, back with another video. And this is a video a long time coming. Finally, we're gonna start the build on my 2017 Yamaha Raptor 700. So here it is guys, my 2017 special edition Yamaha Raptor 700, and it's completely stock. See the pipe right there. There's handlebars are still the same. The only things I've done to it are the wheels and tires. I got GBC XE Masters on the back on Team Elba beadlock blue rims, all the way around. The fronts are hole shots. That's just the setup I'm running. And then I also got the Team Elba gas cap. But guys, we're gonna go show you what we're all doing to this thing so far. So we'll start out simple. We got the Pro Taper handlebars we're running. Got these off Motosport. Then we got a new Team Elba bumper, guys, right there. That's what's gonna be going on it. Then I got ODI blue grips. Heard good things about these, so we're gonna throw those on the new handlebars. And then over here we got a full DASA racing exhaust. Now, guys, I haven't really looked into this. I've looked at it a little bit, and I know what I ordered, but it's been a while. I've been holding on to it till I got enough funds to bring it in and have everything done to it. But with the exhaust, we're going to be running in this Moose Racing box is a Dyno Jet by Power Commander fuel regulator. So we're going to be throwing all this on the Yamaha Raptor 700, and we're finally getting rid of the stock exhaust. So super excited. We're taking it to a guy, gosh, I think it's CFM Motorsports. It's actually the guy that Pete Hager actually went to and had his done. His Rocher exhaust, I think it's called Rocher Engineering exhaust put on and everything. And he's gonna end up dynoing the Raptor 700 and putting a custom tune on it with the DASA Racing exhaust and the Power Commander. So like I said guys, just super excited. This thing is finally not going to be stock anymore. We're finally going to have a nice spark to it. And yeah, so we'll end up loading it up. It's me and my wife are going to go drop it off. It's about an hour and a half away. Definitely worth it. Going to a guy I know that's going to do a good job on it. So yeah, we could have picked a nicer day. As you can see, it's downpouring out. Got the trailer right there. But yeah, oh well. It's the only day off I could get, so we got to make the most of it. And yeah. So, we'll see you guys on the road. We'll maybe do a little video in. We'll see. So, we'll see you there. We're on the road now. As you can see, the weather is still pretty shitty. I got my wife behind the camera. I got my daughter in the back. And we're on our way. We're on our way to the gas station, so we'll update you if anything interesting happens. What up guys, Danny from Life.ATV here, and it's a week later from the clip you're seeing. We ended up dropping off the Yamaha Raptor 700 to get the programmer put on and the full DASA exhaust. And I think we did handlebars too. And he just called me yesterday and he's done. So we're gonna run over and grab it, and we're gonna video it, and we're gonna check out how cool the sound is. I don't know, I'm just really pumped that no more stock exhaust. We should gain a little bit of power because we are running a GYTR intake on it too, mixed with all these. So yeah, just super excited. And today's really the only day we can do it because, you know, the governor, from what I understood, is shutting the shit down tomorrow, the state. So yeah, stuff's getting sketchy, but at least we'll have the Raptor, you know. But anyway, we'll see you on the road. And I don't know if you can see, it's once again raining outside. You probably can't see it on the video, but yep, another shitty day. But anyway, we'll see you on the road.
Basically, it's just a before and after. You know, this is the way that it came pre-tuned, and then
Okay.
this is the way it turned out when we got finished.
Wow.
In the process of that, we changed the fuel curve and the ignition curve.
So we got a nice little gain, guys. That's sweet. And he actually said it's making a little more power than Pete's. So, Pete, if you're watching, nice little dig right there. Yeah, and well, I'm running the DASA pipe, and he's running the...
He's got the Rossier.
The Rossier, and then I'm running the GYTR intake, and he's running the... What kind of intake?
He's got the fuel custom.
The fuel custom, so that's pretty sweet. Wow, that looks sweet. I've had this. I had some goodies put on it. Ooh. You know, the handlebars actually ain't as bad as I thought.
They're not too bad. Myself, I don't like my bars down very low.
Right, right.
I'd probably have to put a riser on it for myself, but everybody's got a different preference with it.
Wow.
The nice thing is, you know, like with that, if you did decide you wanted to move them up, that ROPS riser works really well.
Okay, yeah. Wow. That looks sweet.
We were able to keep the key and all that just like what it was too. That clipped onto the new handlebars.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Sweet. I guess I didn't even look at that. Well, that's good because I didn't really mind that spot even.
Yeah. It's nice and out of the way, and you can't hit that with your knee.
Well, these grips are amazing too, these ODIs.
Those grips.
Wow, they're so much better than factory.
When they first came out, I kind of questioned paying that much for a set of grips.
Right, right.
Ever since the first time I tried them, I've never looked back.
I'm gonna be honest, man, I mainly bought them just because of the looks reason, you know? Same with the pipe. The reason why I went DASA is because I just thought they looked probably the best out of all of them.
Yeah.
With that sticker.
They've always had a great reputation for their exhaust system.
Yeah. Wow, that looks sweet. Okay, guys. Holy shit. Holy shit. Man, that is loud.
Big difference.
Yeah. I like loud, so that's okay. All right, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
You.
We just got home. We got the Raptor over there. Getting ready to put it away. But I just want to say thanks for watching, guys. And seriously, if any of you guys need any dyno tuning, any aftermarket parts put on, any repairs, highly recommend CFM Motorsports. And all their information will be linked below. But thanks for watching. Be on the lookout for the first ride with the DASA exhaust, and we'll see you next time.